Word number 1. Hometown. What is your hometown? ¿Cuál es tu ciudad natal? Word number 2. Badge. The policeman had a badge. El agente de policía tenía una insignia. Number 3. Lean against. Lean against the wall if you're tired. We're saying apóyense contra la pared si están cansados. Number 4. Rush to judgment. Everyone was quick to rush to judgment. Todo el mundo fue rápido en emitir juicios precipitados. Number 5. A typo. It's hard to ignore the typos. So if I say it's hard to ignore the typos, I'm saying es difícil ignorar los erratas. Or las erratas, it should be there. Es difícil ignorar las erratas. What about number 6? A country club. They played golf at the country club. Ellos jugaron golf en el club de campo. Number 7. Shards. Let's say shards of glass. There are shards of glass on the ground. Hay añicos de vidrio en el suelo. You could also say esquirla. Number 8. Blunt force. An example would be, this happens with blunt force trauma. Esto ocurre con un traumatismo. Number 9. Whooshing. Whooshing. A whooshing sound. ¿A qué me refiero? A un sonido silbante. Last but not least, number 10. Unparalleled. 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 Okay. An unparalleled history. An unparalleled history. Me estoy refiriendo a una historia incomparable. And that is TenForDiez.